So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and are safe. And for those of you all who are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I am Prakriti. And today's video would be quite a different kind of a video क्योंकि ऐसा video मैंने अपने channel पे तो नहीं किया है. I'm going to be showing you all certain products that Instagram made me buy. It sounds weird, but कभी कभी होता है ऐसा, आपके साथ भी होता होगा. Like if you are scrolling through and कुछ Instagram ad आ गया and you instantly like want to try that product. And कभी कभी ऐसा भी हुआ है कि कुछ viral reels थी जिसमें कुछ products used थे and I definitely wanted to try those. So I got my hands on all of these products and would be giving you all my honest opinion or review about all the products that I got. क्योंकि मुझे कुछ products to be true gimmicky लगे थे, but I was literally shocked after trying this. So you should definitely watch this video ahead to see what all products I got ताकि आपको भी एक review मिल जाए कि products सच में अच्छे हैं या नहीं हैं. So yes, before beginning with this video, if you guys are not already subscribed, please do consider subscribing. So yes, without much ado, let's just dive straight into the video. So if you guys are following me since the starting, so you must be knowing till now कि I'm into face shaving. So until now, my favorite face razors were from Miniso क्योंकि काफी ज़्यादा inexpensive and काफी ज़्यादा precise shaving देते थे. Until I got these, like ये भी मुझे Instagram ad के through ही recommend हुए थे. So I'm talking about this Carmesy razors and this is how the packaging looks like. It has a very minimal sort of packaging, ऐसे proper लिखा हुआ है Carmesy the brand and face razor for women. And it says that it's instant and painless hair removal, which I would agree क्योंकि I always do face shaving. And it is basically for your eyebrows, upper lip, forehead, chin, sideburns and peach fuzz, which is definitely a really good thing. काफी specifically सब कुछ mentioned है इस पे. And this one retails for 299. As you can see 299 यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है and Amazon पे I think आपको ये off पे मिल जाएगा. So it is a pack of 3 razors. Let me show you. It is divided into 3 portions as you can see. एक I have already used. So this is how the razor looks like. It is a very nice pink sort of a color and it's not at all opaque. It's very good like glass sort of effect दे रहा है, translucent है. And it comes with a typical cover that makes it very travel friendly and it's like very sharp. You can already see कितना ज़्यादा sharp है ये. And I like literally thought जब मैंने Miniso वाला razor use किया था कि इससे अच्छा तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. It's like mind blowing, very sharp, but I am literally shocked after using this. It gives so like clean shave and I don't shave like every week or so, like month में एक या 2 बार कर लिया, that's enough for me. But after shaving your face, when you just apply your base, it sits on so beautifully. And if you guys haven't yet tried face shaving, I would highly recommend you guys to try it at least once and then आप makeup apply करके देखो. It would look so flawless, so smooth on your skin, like बहुत ही amazing effect आता है. So the second item also I got recommended through an Instagram post or Instagram ad, something of that sorts. So basically I am into coffees and stuff and अभी कुछ टाइम पहले रेज का बहुत ज़्यादा like Instagram promotion चल रहा था and every influencer was like it's like very good. तो मैंने भी सोचा like let's just try and stuff. So coffee का मैं अगर बोलूँ, I definitely liked coffee उनकी, but the thing that I'll be showing you all is this milk frother. Like this is how it looks. ये रेज की कॉफी के साथ फ्री मिला था मुझे and this is how it looks. It's battery operated. Like यहाँ पे ऐसे आपको arrow दिख रहा होगा. You'll just slide it down and यहाँ पे you have to fill 2 batteries. तो 2 बैटरी की हेल्प से ये चलता है. And यहाँ पे is this spring sort of a thing. It is attached to this rod and यहाँ पे when you press this button, it starts rotating. So I personally like जब मैं अपने लिए कॉफी बनाती हूँ, I just put this on and वो frothy effect आ जाता है. And मुझे ये around use करते हुए around 3 to 4 months हो गए हैं and it's like working perfectly fine. So I would say you can try this out. Amazon पे और भी ज़्यादा options है. Like if you don't want to purchase इनकी coffee, so you can get this for around 200 or something. But I would say कि अगर आप 200 लगा ही रहे हो, so 300 around की coffee है, so you can try this out क्योंकि उसके साथ ये free मिल रहा है. So what's better than that? So next I got a sunscreen from the brand Aqualogica and this is how it came in this packaging and it looks very good. ये glow plus डुई वेरिएंट है. इसमें अब तो काफी ज्यादा वेरिएंट्स आ गए हैं. जब मैंने लिया था तब इसमें ये एक था विटामिन सी वाला एंड एक कुछ हाइड्रेटिंग ब्लू वाला वेरिएंट था, बट अब इसमें शायद वाटरमेलन या स्ट्रॉबेरी जो भी पिंक सा पैकेजिंग है वो भी आ गई है. सो आई एम वेरी इंट्रीग्ड टू ट्राई दैट एज वेल, बट आई सपोज ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर इफेक्ट ही देगा. सो दिस इज हाउ द पैकेजिंग लुक्स लाइक. इस पे ऐसे ग्लो प्लस डूई लिखा हुआ है सनस्क्रीन एंड इट हैज papaya and vitamin C which brightens and hydrates your skin at the same time. So let me show you इसका cardboard packaging के अंदर कैसे. Oh, and it retails for only $3.99. That's like a really affordable price for a sunscreen, which is 50 gram. This is SPF 50 plus and this is PA triple plus UVA and UVB. You will be protected really well. This is how the sleek packaging looks like. ये ऐसा pump sort of bottle में आता है which is very sleek. And जब मैं देहरादून गई थी I literally traveled with this and I was good to go. बहुत ज़्यादा sleek है, बिल्कुल ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली है क्योंकि इट लाइक हैज अ कैप विच क्लोजेज वेरी वेल. कुछ भी स्पिलेज कुछ भी लीकेज का चांस नहीं है. तो दिस इज हाउ द पंप लुक्स लाइक. वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस एंड लिटरली आई वाज शॉक्ड. जैसे ही मैंने अप्लाई किया इट डिड नॉट गिव मी एनी वाइट कास्ट एंड आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दिस इट गिव्स मी अ रियली ग्लोई डूई फिनिश विच आई एब्सोल्युटली लव अबाउट दिस सनस्क्रीन. मैंने आज तक तो ऐसी कोई भी सनस्क्रीन नहीं अप्लाई की विच गिव्स लाइक अ डूई इफेक्ट. मैंने रिक्विल की अप्लाई की हुई है जो बना देती है स्किन को, बट दिस ग्लोई सनस्क्रीन इज टू डाई फॉर एंड आई वुड हाईली रेकमेंड यू टू ट्राई दिस वंस. सो द नेक्स्ट आइटम आई परचेज स्पेसिफिकली क्योंकि मैंने इसको रील्स पे देख लिया था एंड आई थॉट इफ इट वुड वर्क फॉर मी इट वुड बी लाइक रियली गुड. सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस L'Oreal Paris Magic Retouch and this I specifically saw on a viral TikTok reel something. So yes, this is in the variant black. इसमें दो variants है, brown भी आता है and black भी है and I got it in the black variant obviously because I have. So yes, this is how, let me show you. It retails for $2.99 which is like really good and it mentions that it can be used up to 25 uses. Okay, before beginning with this, if you are wondering what is this product, so if you have gray hair or bald patches, so you can definitely try this one out. It worked for me क्योंकि जब मैं देहरादून गई थी I carried this with myself and मैंने एक messy सी ponytail बनाई थी and उसमें हल्के से ग्रेस दिख रहे थे and the partition यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मैंने स्प्रे किया था ताकि थोड़ा gathered look आए. I'll just pop a image right here ताकि you can see कि what I am talking about. So मुझे तो ये काफी ज्यादा पसंद आया. I'll just show you how this one works. So ऐसी ये pointed nozzle सी आती है. You have to spray this from a distance and the product would be on your gray hair. So let me show you guys if the gray hairs are visible. Okay, forget about the gray hair. You can see this area जिसमें थोड़ा सा पैच दिख रहा है. I'll just spray it here and you can see instantly कि क्या होता है. and you can see for yourself कि ये reduce हो चुका है. It would not be like कि ये पूरा भर जाए but it has filled up to an extent. So I would not say it is like any permanent solution to grays or bald patches, but you can definitely, as it says, it's magic retouch. So you can use this for special events. अगर आपने hair updo किया and कुछ peek out हो रहा है gray hair, so you can definitely use this one out. Next I got these reusable makeup sponges which are from the brand Earth Rhythm. They come in a pair of two and ये मुझे कुछ around 210 something मिले थे and ever since I have purchased these I absolutely fell in love and ignore the dirt क्योंकि ये मैंने काफी टाइम से नहीं wash किया and I have to wash these क्योंकि मैं like when I traveled I took them with me and since then I haven't washed them and I also will be making a reel on cleaning the brushes, so do let me know if you're interested to watch that. So these are pretty much good, बहुत ज़्यादा spongy and you can use it from either side. And if you do not have waterproof makeup, so you can skip using micellar water as well क्योंकि you just dip it on water, squeeze it out and just wipe it around and your makeup would be out. I have used it in that way and it literally worked. All in all it's like very eco-friendly and very good क्योंकि मेरा जो मैं cotton wipes लेती थी Miniso से I have like almost stopped using them. I'll also recommend you all कि you can try this out. So one of my favorite products and the one that I was saying in the start कि मुझे थोड़ा gimmicky लगा is basically a volcanic roller जो कि मैंने रील्स पे काफी ज्यादा देखा था. टिकटॉक पे ऐसा फेमस हो गया था बहुत ज्यादा. वो Revlon का था एंड दिस इज एन अफोर्डेबल ड्यूप फॉर दैट. एंड आई वुड से जब मैंने ये लिया था तो ये उससे काफी ज्यादा ऑफ पे था. ये 50% अराउंड ऑफ पे मिल गया मुझे. इसका रिटेलिंग 800 समथिंग है बट ये मुझे 400 समथिंग का मिल गया. सो दैट वाज रियली गुड. एंड अब जब मैं देखती हूँ Amazon पे आई फाइंड all the more affordable dupes for this as well. It is this volcanic roller from Milagro Beauty and this is how it came in this box. And when I opened this, I got this cute little packaging which says that it is an oil absorbing volcanic roller and easy to get rid of oil troubles. So जब मैंने इसको रील पे देखा था I wasn't sure कि would it work or no, क्योंकि पता नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लगा नहीं कि ये काम करेगा. But I'll say that I have used this and I pretty much like this product. Like before this I was using Miniso की oil absorbing sheets and that was literally my go to product. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद था वो. But ever since then जब मैंने ये use करना start किया I literally fell in love. So this is how the product came in. It's in this very pretty baby pink sort of a color. Once you open this ये ऐसा roller sort of दिखता है. This is nothing, ऐसा कुछ foam नहीं है, कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है जो खराब होगा. It is like a stone and I was absolutely shook when I used this कि stone कुछ ऐसा भी कर सकता है. Literally did not know. So let me show you how this one works. यहाँ पे if you see you can see some oil. So I'll just work it here हल्का हल्का. I just will roll this one out. यहाँ पे भी. And you can see how this one works. इसने पूरा ये एरिया मैटिफाई कर दिया है without lifting any product. You can see कुछ भी मेकअप लिफ्ट नहीं हुआ एंड दैट्स रियली अमेजिंग. सो आई एब्सोल्युटली फ्रिकिंग लव दिस. एंड यहाँ पे ऐसा लॉक सिस्टम दिया हुआ है, यू कैन सी. सो यू कैन जस्ट ट्विस्ट दिस एंड स्टोन निकाल के यू कैन वॉश इट अराउंड एंड देन यू कैन जस्ट फिक्स इट अगेन एंड स्टार्ट यूजिंग. सो इट्स लाइक वेरी गुड. काफी ज्यादा ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली भी है. सो यू कैन ईजिली पॉप दिस इन योर बैग एंड यू आर रेडी टू गो ऑन एनी लाइक ह्यूमर ट्रैवल डेस्टिनेशन. सो इट वुड बी अ really good essential for all the oily skin people out there. And if you do not want to spend like a 400 or 500 rupees on this, I will insert links for more affordable rollers for you guys, so you can definitely check those out in the description box below. So that was all from my side for this video. Hope you found interesting products and reviews about them, and if you did, you already know the drill. You have to like, share and subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends and family. Until then, be safe, take care, and I'll be back next week with yet another amazing video. Bye bye, love you all. Thank you.